No, I'm watching something now.
This is a typical night cooking in the Turner house. Maddie is the sous chef, sitting up on the counter.
I'm not the sous chef.
What are you?
I am the cooker.
You're the cooker? Daddy is the sous chef then.
Yeah.
Okay, you're the chefer? The chef? And then Grant just took off his pants. Grant, how did you take off your pants by yourself? Huh? How did that happen? I didn't know you could do that. Yeah, those are your pants.
I want to watch something else.
You want to watch something else on YouTube? I don't know.
Something else.
Maybe Daddy can put something else. Let's see what Daddy's making. This is a day in our life. I'm going to make, spinach is going to go in there. And lamb is going to go in there. We're making a lamb curry. What are you making, Maddie?
Basil bag.
What is that?
Cilantro.
I think it's mint.
Mint.
Right?
Just mint, and what do you do with this mint?
Chop it up.
Chop it off.
I don't think it works if I go that way, actually. Oh, Daddy's violent. Let's go find our pantless wonder. Hey, pantless wonder. Where's my pantless wonder? Oh, there you are.
Can I see?
What are you doing, pantless wonder? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Where's Elmo? Elmo looks lost and sad. Will you pick up Elmo? No! You don't care, you heartless little toddler. Okay, say bye-bye. Never mind. Okay, Maddie, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye. This has been a typical boring night at the Turners.
Bye.
Yeah.